So today we have an electrical screwdriver. This is an unboxing video. And anybody are interested to buy this, they can WhatsApp me and I will include the price. And 100% quality product. I will trust you. Sweet. You will have a seal on a screwdriver, so you should peel it up. Okay. Now, if you lift it up, you will find our screwdriver usage. Okay, I have received two. Okay, this is in Chinese. I don't know how to read it. So here comes our manual. First one comes to bit, shaft, LED, front, back, magnet to keep your screw bits, and a Type C. A Type C, yeah, they had included Type C. Before they had used a normal Samsung charging, and now they had also updated the product. So you can see the battery capacity is 260 milliamps, charge time 45 minutes, screwdriver weight 85 grams, iron lithium battery voltage 3.7 volts, everything is okay. Load speed up to 170 rpm. Okay. Operation solutions: please charge before using. Yeah, you need to make full charge, because if you use this in a low charge, your motor will dead permanently, and you need to take a notice. Pull out the charger device when you legs. Okay, charging. Okay, not to be long or to be pressed. Okay, you should not use it too overly. And you can see they had also included all types of fill head screws and everything. PHSL, PTS, HUYT triangle, and they also include everything. And you will receive and USB cable, one piece. Okay, this is our thing. I need to unbox this. USB Type C cable. Okay, here comes our another thing, USB Type C. Okay, second thing is the toolbox, one piece. Okay, next comes this screw bottle. Okay, screw bottle. No. Okay, I think this is the magnet. And yes, bits 20 pieces. And yeah, everything is good. We have everything, so everything is good. These are used to small, these are used to large things. So there runs everything. Okay, now that's all.